Welcome back to RVX Auto, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in luxury motorhomes and automotive adventures. Today, we have something truly extraordinary, a Mercedes 2026 motorhome, and we're calling it the Mercedes AeroLux. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile palace, a statement of luxury, and a dream for anyone who loves to travel in style. From the moment you set eyes on the AeroLux, you notice the elegance in every curve. Its sleek metallic silver exterior gleams under the sunlight, while the large panoramic windows invite you to explore the world outside in complete comfort. This is a 6'6" luxury motorhome, built to handle city streets, highways, and even off-road adventures, making it perfect for the modern explorer. From the moment you set eyes on the AeroLux, you notice the elegance in every curve. Its sleek metallic silver exterior gleams under the sunlight, while the large panoramic windows invite you to explore the world outside in complete comfort. This is a 6'6" luxury motorhome, built to handle city streets, highways, and even off-road adventures, making it perfect for the modern explorer. Step inside, and the Mercedes AeroLux immediately feels like home. The driver's cabin combines cutting-edge Mercedes technology with ultimate comfort. The leather-trimmed seats, intuitive dashboard controls, and ambient LED lighting give it a futuristic yet cozy feel. Every knob, every display is meticulously designed for convenience, safety, and elegance. And yes, this cabin isn't just about driving, it's about experiencing the road in style. Moving into the main living area, the luxury continues. Imagine walking into a spacious lounge with plush seating, ambient lighting, and panoramic views through massive windows. Whether you're relaxing with a cup of coffee in the morning or enjoying the sunset over a mountain range, this space is designed to bring the outdoors inside. The combination of modern minimalist design and premium materials makes it feel both futuristic and inviting. And for those who love cooking on the go, the AeroLux offers a fully equipped kitchen. Sleek countertops, high-end appliances, and smart storage solutions make it functional without compromising on luxury. You could literally host a dinner party on the road. It's all part of the ultimate RV experience, blending convenience with sophistication. One of the standout features of the Mercedes AeroLux is its outdoor living experience. With an extendable rooftop deck, retractable awnings, and integrated outdoor entertainment, you can enjoy sunsets, mountain views, or beachside evenings with complete luxury. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle on wheels. And let's not forget performance, powered by Mercedes' legendary engineering. The 2026 AeroLux handles like a dream. Smooth acceleration, precise handling, and a robust 6'6" drivetrain mean you can conquer highways, winding mountain roads, or even off-road trails with confidence. Luxury, power, and adventure all rolled into one spectacular package. The views from the AeroLux are simply breathtaking. Whether you're parked on a cliff overlooking a valley, cruising through coastal roads, or exploring a hidden mountain pass, the panoramic windows, rooftop deck, and smart lighting ensure you experience every moment in comfort and style. It truly brings a new meaning to the concept of mobile luxury. So, what makes the Mercedes 2026 AeroLux stand out in 2026? It's the perfect combination of luxury, performance, and adventure. Every inch of this motorhome has been crafted with precision, from the premium materials inside to the sophisticated exterior design. It's more than just a vehicle, it's an invitation to explore the world without compromising comfort or style. If you're passionate about traveling in style, seeking adventure, or simply love the Mercedes legacy of luxury and innovation, the AeroLux is a game changer. It's perfect for families, couples, or solo explorers who want the ultimate RV experience in 2026. That's it for today's review of the Mercedes 2026 AeroLux. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to RVX Auto, and turn on notifications so you never miss a luxury motorhome review. And drop a comment below, would you take the AeroLux on your next adventure? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring in style with RVX Auto.